Welcome back to Cook Till You Drop. I am having a pumpkin latte. Pumpkin latte is a hot beverage and you usually get it around autumn time. You can either get it from the shop or you make it yourself and enjoy. Let me show you what you need and how to make it. First you need pumpkin puree. I use a pumpkin called sugar pumpkin. I have cut it in chunks, cooked it in a steamer, then through a blender, and again through a sifter to get rid of all the bits and pieces. For the pumpkin latte, these are the spices. You need cinnamon. Of course, you can use cinnamon sticks, fresh ginger, nutmeg, cloves, vanilla essence, and the puree. For the milk, I've gone for a full-fat one, but you can make a low-fat version by adding skimmed milk instead of a full-fat, or go totally vegan by using almond milk or oat milk. Make sure not to boil the milk. Have it on sim for about 3 to 5 minutes so the spices and your pumpkin can release its flavor slowly into the milk. And if you like, you can add sugar. I'm having an espresso here because I think a strong coffee flavor is needed to balance the pumpkin milk. Now pour your pumpkin milk into your mug, give it a stir, and there you go. Your pumpkin latte is ready. I hope you enjoy this latte as much as I will do, and I hope you like my video.